Spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So soft, no? Also, bro, when you're shifting, there's no quick shifter. You have to pull the lever fully.
It's fucking hard.
Exactly, bro. That's why.
Okay, fine, I'll go slow anyway.
No, it's fine if you rip, bro, but just be careful with the clutch, okay? So, guys, today I don't know what this thing is happening. Like, what the plan is for today, I don't know. But now I'm going to be riding the 2020 Street Triple RS with a Yoshimura Alpha T2 exhaust. I just rode the Z1000 with an Austin Racing exhaust. Now this is going to be the Yoshimura. Such a sleek, hot bike, honestly, man. And Arman's riding my MT09. Okay, it says Triumph. And come on. Good morning. Nice. Oi! So aggressive, bro. All these seating positions. Why these guys don't buy chill bikes, I don't understand. Okay, this is the second time I'm riding this bike. First was in break-in period.
No, right tire is wobbling. Go this thing.
Yeah, I'm not going to push it.
Ignition on.
Yeah. Which mode is it in?
It's in sport mode. One below track. You want track?
I want track.
Okay, wait. Switch this thing on. Once again. Mode. Which is track?
This is track. Yeah, this is track.
No traction, no front ABS on.
Yeah, only front ABS. Fine, that's fine.
And bro, there'll be a really good initial pickup. It'll pop pakka.
Okay. I'm just scared about the rear tire. That's why I'm not going to push it. Nice.
One round or two?
We'll see. 2. If I have fun, 2. We'll do 2 only, bro. Come. This is MT09 versus Street Triple RS. War on Indian roads. Oh, my bike is so hot. I have to adjust the mirrors. Quick shifter as well as an auto blipper. Why it slipped to neutral? My bike is too beautiful, man. Come. The exhaust is just next level, guys, and the suspension is so good. Oh my god, like the compression is nice and the rebound is much lesser than my bike. My bike has pretty what? Yeah, use blipper. Let the truck go. We'll go. Brake is good, no? Exhaust note. How is it, guys? Do you guys like it? Who is this idiot coming? This exhaust is next level, bro. Exhaust is... Huh? How's the MT?
Bro, it's good. Fucking your red matching is so sweet in this.
Right now, A mode. A mode. TC is still there. Don't worry about TC. Only thing you have to worry is...
Bro, it's fucking lifting. Like,
yeah, it lifts easily.
It's so light, bro. The front is so light. There's nothing here.
Yeah. This bike also lifts, bro. But it's in control. Even that...
Turn on the traction and go up, bro.
I switched off the traction and the ABS in the rear. Only front I've kept. Indranjan's reaction is priceless. Indranoj! Indranoj!
How's it?
Oh, bro, you saw the front lifted. Did you see that from the back? Could you able to?
This thing also.
Yeah, it's just, bro, Gaur. Landscape. Wait, you move that.
Yeah, but I can keep it in the middle, no?
Anything is fine, no, because he has. Does he have space there?
It's so easy to ride, bro. Fucking you can throw it anywhere.
Yeah, did you notice it's more like maneuverable?
Yeah, it's more than RS, you know.
I don't know why, but bro, I feel like your RS is harder to like throw around in the.
That's because the tire is.
Yeah, could be the tire only, bro, actually.
The tire is bald. I could see, bro. I'm fucking throwing stones the tire.